Hello guys, and surprise, you guys usually don't see me on Tuesdays, but I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag, and last time that I got it, I didn't record a video, and today I was like, I have to sit down and do it. So today I'm going to show you guys what I got in my October Ipsy Glam Bag. If you guys are not aware, they just recently launched something new where it's similar to BoxyCharm, where you pay $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products. I think this is the third or the second bag from Ipsy. Again, this is something brand new. I ended up putting my products inside my bag, so yes, you guys will be receiving a bag. I think it's every other month or every third month that they will be sending these bags, but it's not going to come like that. It's going to come in a pink box, which is this one. So if you guys want to see what products came in and how they worked for me, then go ahead and keep on watching. So this is our box. It is your standard pink Ipsy box. I'm kind of like living for this hot pink. It's just, I don't know, it's cute. I like the color. And on the inside it says Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I love that message, and it has it right there. And inside you have all of your amazing products in this month's box. The first one that I'm going to try out is the Purlisse Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. So here's our little card, and it says, welcome to Glam Bag Plus. Now let's take a look at the mask. This is the Purlisse Beauty Seed Mud Mask. So this is a 10-minute facial, and you're supposed to notice instant results, subtle but satisfying results, like less noticeable pores and all over glow. Okay, it recommends for you to try it 2 to 3 times a week for at least a month, and you'll pretty much transform your skin. That is a pretty bold claim, and I'm really excited to try this. It claims that it's really good for sensitive skin. You guys know that my skin is extremely sensitive, so I'm really hoping that this doesn't break me out. I did notice that on this card they don't have the prices. I'm not seeing prices anywhere, guys. If I am wrong, correct me, but I am not seeing any prices, so I'm not sure how much these are or why they don't include prices. It's a little weird. My skin feels so soft with that mask. It exfoliated it. It exfoliated my skin very gently, but it still feels soft and clean. Like, I don't know, my skin feels really good. I hope it doesn't break me out. The next product that I'm going to try out is this LXMI Pure. It's a nourishing balm to oil. I don't even know, I didn't want to butcher the name. So on the back of the product it says you can apply it on your skin. You can apply it throughout the day, like around your eyes, your lips, your hands. You can use it as an overnight mask, which, I don't know, the consistency is a little bit thick. This is what it looks like. It is one of those squeezy tubes. I'm going to use it as a lip balm just for now. Ooh. Ooh, that feels really, really soft. And I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand as well. Ooh, okay, I think I'm gonna love this for the lips. And it doesn't have a scent. Huh, okay. The next thing that I see here is this one. I have never tried any Smashbox eyeshadows, so I'm really excited to try this one. We got the Cover Shots Bowls Glitter Eye Palette. What? Oh wow, oh my god. Look at, okay, first of all, the packaging, A+, super cute. I've seen these before, but I don't own hardly any Smashbox products actually. And this is what the inside looks like. Oh my god, it is so beautiful and full of glitter. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to do my eyes off camera. I will be back to test out the glitters on my lids. We also have a mascara, and we also have an eyeliner, as well as this Morphe High Impact highlighter. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I will be right back. Now for the exciting part, the Smashbox little glitter palette. Oh my god, I don't even know which one I want to use. Which one should I go with? I think I'm going to go with the green one. That's one I originally wanted to use anyway. That's really pretty, but it's kind of hard to get it off the pan. I have to literally scrape it in order for me to get color on my brush. So I don't know how I feel about that. But the payoff is pretty and the color is really pretty as well. I haven't finished the look yet, but let me tell you guys, this little Smashbox Bold Glitter Eye Palette is amazing. The glitter on here is so pigmented. Now let's try this Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, Line and Define in the color Black. And on the back it says, when in doubt, wing it out. Hell yes, that is my life motto. And this is what the actual little tube looks like. Now when you open it, it is a felt tip, and that was one swipe and it was pigmented. So okay, I can't do a wing with this. I do like it, but I feel like with these, because they are a pen and they tend to be more dry, it tugs at your eye a lot. So I'm not going to mess up my eye look, so I'm going to skip on that. The last product here is the Tarte's Maneater Voluptuous Mascara. I kind of hate that we get mascaras because I am one that doesn't care for mascaras. And I know that some of you are like, you know, you wear false eyelashes, so it's hard to tell if the product works. And I completely agree. Also, I have ridiculously small lashes that actually made my lashes really long. It just gave them a lot of volume, so I'm impressed with this one. Let's finish off the look by going in with the highlights. Again, this is by Morphe in the shade Extra, and it looks gorgeous. It's a really pretty like champagne, light champagne color. These usually don't look good on me, but we'll see. Ooh, damn. Well, I was not ready for that. That is so gorgeous and pigmented, and the color is just, ooh. That is it for this Ipsy unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do want to continue to see boxycharm and Ipsy unboxing, let me know. Or if you want to see them combined, let me know as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!